Hello world, Leon here, and this is how you send a transaction in mobile or in-game. So under Web3 Unity, go to Prefabs, Mobile, and there is a prefab called Mobile Send Transaction Example. So drag this into the scene. On the right here, there's a script, so let's take a look at that. So in here, it's asking for a few things. Number one is the private key. So you normally get this from Taurus, or you can import it from any wallet that you want. You have the chain, Ethereum, network, Rinkeby, network ID. So this relates to the network. So mainnet is 1, Rinkeby is 4, etc. Account is the account or your address of your private key. You can also use playerprefs.getString account. The to value is who you want to send it to. Value is the value in Wei, or the base currency in hex, gas price in hex, gas limit in hex, and call web3 mobile.send transaction. You pass in all these variables, and you can print out the transaction. So let's give it a go. So if I go to console, there should be a transaction hash. So I'm going to copy this, verify on Etherscan. Etherscan, paste it here. And the transaction is going. Okay, so this was sent 14 seconds ago. Here's the from address, 428. 428, and the to, DD4, DD4, and the value down here is in ETH. Yeah, and that's how it's done. Thanks.